Hey guys, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing good and safe as well. And so I'm here back with a new video. And first of all, I would like to thank you all for your love and affection that we reached 50 plus subscribers. And thank you so much, and it really means a lot for us. Guys, this is a requested video by Harshdeep Kaur. And the theme of the video is how to manage study with social media. So let's begin. As we all know, social media is the need for all of us, starting from children to adults. And due to this pandemic, it has increased up to a large extent. Therefore, we need to cope study with social media. In this video, I am going to tell about this only. How to deal with social media during studies, how to use social media for knowledge, and ultimately how much time we should keep for social media. Starting with topic how to deal with social media during studies, the tip which we already provided you in our previous study tips video, that the distraction with social media could waste most of our times and ideas. So it's better to turn off all the notifications during study sessions, but you should also keep or set a particular time for social media on internet studying. Turning off the social media could really save most of our time, so you can also test it on a daily basis using the app Clockify. As I have already told you that you have to fix a proper timing to see the social media, and if you don't know how to do this, then you can check our previous study tips video. You could have an access to YouTube videos, notes plus characters, and character sketches, doubt questions, and extra questions which you have to practice, and many such questions are available on internet. So here I have this chapter of geography drainage. So what I do is to get a search on it, and I searched animated series of drainage class 9. But I don't go for the theoretical ones, but I go for the animated series so that my visualization and my productivity would get increased. So I also recommend you to just watch those videos to get more idea about the concept. And secondly, I'm having my IT chapters in the form of an ebook. So what I do is to go for some notes because I couldn't write whole chapter. So what I do is that I just go for a net search and write notes of basics of internet class 9. So after getting this, I just click on one website and search that it's so precise one that I can easily understand and able to write this. So you can also do like this to get more clear idea about the. Thirdly, I'm having character sketch, and this is the most prominent part of our learning reading and writing, that they're usually present in the prose part, not in the poem part. Usually we get the prose about the characters, how the character is doing something. So like I'm having here my character sketch of Bismillah Khan and Evelyn Glennie. So what I do is to go for a search that is there any character sketch. I don't even know about it. So when I just go for some summary notes, then what I just search the character sketch, then I ask my mother that is it important. Then also I've asked my teacher, then she told that yes, it's very important, so you have to also write it. And then I go for the search and we can easily find it, because if you will learn this, then you can be able to write all things. alternatively, you can use the reference book. I have just recently bought those books because they helped me a lot. Now, ultimately, I'm having some doubt in the homework sessions of physics, maths. So, what I do is to go for a search on YouTube, because I know that if I search on the Google, then it will give the same answer as explained in the reference book, but it not explained clearly. So I just go for a search and go for the whiteboard animation or this only board animation, which will makes me understand clearly like our teacher. So you can also go with this trick which I have followed. In this, I'm using social media, but I never use those Instagram, Facebook and Snapchats because they are just a waste of time. Secondly, we will know that how to use social media for increasing our knowledge. Now, what does this mean? It directly means to those WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram. You should always watch good knowledgeable things in your phone, so more those things will come. Do not watch unnecessary things like games or any other things. Only see knowledgeable things which will help you to increase your knowledge and proper use of social media. I had here this picture which I had found on Facebook, which helps me in my geography. Or otherwise, you could maintain a separate diary or notebook to write those things. In that diary, you could write about your interest about a certain thing. For an instance, cell has more than 1,000 organelles, so you could have a research on them. Or what you can do is that you could find some many things about learning them, like learning the nicknames of the cities or cell organelles or countries and etc. Or you can have some certain riddles, brain teasers, etc. So here, let me ask you a brain teaser, and the first, second and the third person to answer this question or the riddles in comment names will be announced in our next video, and also will get a heard from our we are having the question, what time we should provide for social media. Now this is a prominent part of our video. So as per my point of view, we should provide minimum 1 hour to 1.5 hours from the rest 23 hours. Let me show you pie chart of my social media for an instance. 50% on white videos and doubt clearance,